Alice and they were opening 3 toy eggs. So I'm excited to see which one.
Which ones do you have? Tell everyone which ones you have first of all. You've got.
First we have the Spider-Man one.
Okay.
Second we have the Barbie one. Third, at least, we got the normal Kinder Egg. First up we have this Spider-Man chocolate Kinder Egg.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Wow. Oh, it's got 2 colours in it, does it?
White chocolate and brown chocolate. So let's in this bowl. I'll really open it. I'm stuck with it here. We can open it at the end of the
Do you want me to open it and then we can see what it is?
Alright. So who is it going to
There you
be? Who is it going to be?
It's Wolverine, Daddy's favourite. Wow.
Let's see this. So
Wolverine.
yeah, we're
Wolverine.
so
What's next?
Next up, we have this Barbie chocolate egg. So we're going to open it and see what's inside. So here we go. Opening it up. Here it got a little bit broken on the way, you see. So let's gently, let's broke all the chocolate. Well, that's whoa, okay. Well, this is a lot of chocolate. We can't hold all this chocolate for long. So I have to open this one either. The normal one would be easier, but not really. Well, here we go.
Wonder what it is.
Oh, it's a ring! It's a
And did you get anything else inside?
this little instruction thing.
Okay.
We got a ring. Here's a butterfly.
Wow, so we've got a ring and Wolverine.
So
Yeah.
next one is gonna be the normal Kinder eggs. So here we go. We got the normal Kinder egg. A little bit open. We're getting the rest open. Here you go. Sorry as well. Whoa! That was close to where I broke the toy inside. So, wonder what we're going to. What's this? Another spinner.
A spinner?
Yeah, it's a spinner. It's a big spinner.
And do we have to put it together?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it together
We
soon.
got the green one. We got the green one.
What do you think your favourite toy is, or well, my favourite is Wolverine.
My favorite is this ring.
Okay, anything else to say about the review?
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.
Bye.